Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning noise reduction, and this is one of the essential things in Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing. Sometimes you may have some background noise in your indoor video clip or outdoor video clip, and that's really annoying, and we are going to learn in this lesson how you will remove background noise. So let's take a look, but before that I want to show you an example. This is the same video clip I placed twice in our timeline. This is with noise and this is after reducing the noise. So let me play this video clip once. Okay. You can take a look, we have very heavy background noise in the first video clip. Let me play once again. Okay, you can take a look, we have very heavy noise in the first one, and let's take a look after removing all the background noise in the same video clip, and let me play the second one. Let me play once again in here. Okay. You can take a look, there is nothing in the background. Okay. Cool. So let's compare once again with noise. Without noise. Okay, so let's take a look how you will remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. Right now we have to import a video clip from our exercise file, and you know where you have to go. You have to go for File menu, Import option, and inside our exercise file you will get this intro clip 1. We already used this intro clip 1 before, and I'm going to use it once again. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. So let me click open. Okay, cool. This is our intro clip 1 video clip, and you have to place this video clip in our timeline. So you just have to drag and drop this one. Okay, the video clip is placed in our timeline, but I want to place this video clip once again in our timeline so that we can compare between before and after. So let me place this once again. Okay, we have the same video clip twice. So let me play this video clip. Okay. You can take a look, we have very heavy background noise, and the noise is from fan, and we are going to fix it. We are going to reduce all the background noise from this video clip. So how you will do that? You can do that easily using an audio effect, and the name of that audio effect is Denoise. So we have to go for audio effect, and you will get the audio effect in effects tab. So let's go for effects tab. So you just have to click over the arrow icon, then you will get this effects tab. Okay, this is the search bar, and in the search bar you have to search for denoise. So let me type denoise. Okay, this is the denoise audio effect, and you will get this denoise audio effects inside the audio effects folder and inside the noise reduction folder. So you have to drag and drop this denoise audio effect in our video clip. So let me drag and drop this audio effect, and I want to put it over here. Okay, you can take a look in effects control. A new setup is appeared, and that called the denoise, and this is the settings, and we have to work with the denoise settings. So right now let me play this intro clip 1 once again. Okay, you can take a look, we have background noise still now, but it's in low mode. That means we have less background noise, but it's not cleared yet. So let me play once again. Okay, we have background noise, and let me play this another video clip because we did not added the denoise audio effect in this video clip. So we can compare. This is the before and this is the after. So let's play the before clip. Okay, we have very heavy background noise, and let me play this clip once again after applying the denoise audio effect in this clip. Okay, less background noise, heavy background noise, less background noise, okay, heavy background noise. But we don't want to keep the less background noise. We want to reduce the entire background noise. So let's get start with the denoise settings. So you just have to select the intro clip 1 where you placed the denoise audio effect, and then you will get the denoise audio settings inside the effect controls. So this is our effect controls, and you will get the settings. So we will go for a custom setup, and that's why you have to click over the edit option. So this is the edit option. Let me click on here, and then a new pop-up will be appeared. So I want to play the video clip, then we can fix the noise from this denoise audio settings. So you just have to click on this play button. Okay. Okay, still we have the noise. Okay, let me play once again. Okay. Okay, so this is the amount. So in where or how many percentage of noise you want to reduce. Right now we have 40% noise reduction. That's why the noise is totally not reduced from the clip. But we want to remove the entire noise. That's why we have to increase the amount. Right now we have 40%. We have to go for 70%. Okay, so let me click, or let me play this clip right now. Okay. Okay, noise is reduced, but still we have. Let me play once again. Okay, it's reduced but not cleared, so that's why I want to increase the amount more. I want to go for 90%. And now let me play the video clip. Okay. Okay, cool. Now it's really looks fine. Let me play once again. Okay. Okay. It's almost gone. No more background noise. So let's go for 100%. Okay. Not a single background noise. Okay. It's really awesome. But if you want to separate only the noise only, then you can do that easily. In that case, you just have to click over the output noise only, then you will be able to hear only the noise. So let me show you. I just want to tick mark, or I just want to click on this output noise only box. Okay, so now let me play the video clip. Okay, so it shows the only noise over here, but I don't want to keep it, and that's why I want to uncheck this box, and now we will not have any single noise. Okay, no more noise over here. So let me close this tab, and if you compare between before and after, you will be astonished. So let's compare. Okay, this is the after, and let's compare with the before, and this is our before file. You just have to place the indication bar over here. Okay, very heavy noise. Okay, not a single noise. Okay. Okay. So this is really awesome, and this is how you will reduce background noise in your video using denoise audio effect in Adobe Premiere Pro and this is the very easy way for reducing your background noise in video editing. So let's have some practice.